Dear students, I am Dr. Umesh Abhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JSS Arts, Science and Commerce College, Gokak. I hope all of you are doing well. I pray Almighty for the good health and happiness of all of us. As you all know, novel coronavirus hit the world in 2019 December, and in India we started to expose to virus from February. So to contain virus, our India government imposed Janata curfew, even though we had to suffer a lot due to this virus throughout 2020. And we are about to breathe a sigh of relief. Then appeared second wave of COVID-19. As a result, to contain this second wave again, government has directed to close the educational institutions. So we are directed to take online classes and have been advised to work from home. So in this regard, I will start my online classes from today onwards. So in this semester, I am going to take aldehydes and ketones in organic sections. Let us study the aldehydes and ketones. So what are the contents involved in aldehydes and ketones? Introduction, aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes and ketones, structure and bonding, mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction, preparation from acid chloride and from nitriles, finally mechanism of some reactions. So in today's class we are going to study the introduction about aldehyde and ketones and applications of the aldehyde and ketones. So let us study the aldehyde and ketones. Before going to study the aldehydes and ketones, let us know a brief introduction about organic chemistry. So what do you mean by organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of the chemistry of carbon compounds. So let us know the functional groups, because we are going to study the functional group also here. Therefore, what do you mean by functional groups? So functional groups are specific structural arrangement of atoms or bonds that imparts a characteristic chemical reactivity to a molecule. One of the important functional group of organic compound is carbonyl group, in which a carbon atom is double bonded to oxygen atom. So let us move to the introduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are similar in structure in that both classes of compounds possess a carbon double bonded to bond, oxygen bond called carbonyl group. This carbonyl group of an aldehyde is flanked by one carbon and one hydrogen atom, while the carbonyl group of a ketone is flanked by two carbon atoms. So let us know the what you mean by aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Before going to study the aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes and ketones, let us know what do you mean by aliphatic and aromatic. An aliphatic compound is an organic compound containing hydrogen and carbon atoms that are usually linked together in chains that are straight. Sometimes the chains are also in branched or in the form of non-aromatic structures. While coming to aromatic compounds, aromatics are those chemical compounds that contain one or more rings with pi electrons delocalized all the way around them. So examples for aliphatic aldehydes are formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Example for aliphatic ketone is acetone. Example for aromatic aldehyde is benzaldehyde. So these formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone and benzaldehyde. So these are present in your syllabus. So therefore we are going to these aldehydes and ketones. So let us know the applications of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are responsible for many flavors and odors. For example, vanillin, salicylaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde and benzaldehyde. So these aldehydes and ketones used are used in food industry and pharmaceuticals. Some of them are used as solvents. For example, acetone is used as a solvent and is commonly found in nail polish remover. And formaldehyde is used as a preservative in vaccine formulations. Next, aldehydes and ketones are also used as building blocks in the synthesis of commercially important compounds including polymers. Due to the versatile reactivity of the carbonyl group, aldehydes and ketones occupy a central role in organic chemistry. So with this brief introduction about aldehydes and ketones, we have to take some safety measurements. That is, stay safe, be wear mask, use sanitizer and maintain social distance. Kindly educate others about safety measurements of COVID-19. Thank you. Thank you all.